Boost your vocabulary for TOEFL and IELTS. Creating personal vocabulary lists. Hey, learners! Welcome back to another English language learning video. Today, we're diving deep into an essential vocabulary building strategy that will be invaluable for your TOEFL and IELTS preparation. Creating personal vocabulary lists. Let's get started. Personal vocabulary lists are bespoke lists tailored to your individual learning journey. Here's why they are a game changer. 1. Personalized learning. Everyone has unique vocabulary strengths and weaknesses. Personal lists allow you to focus on words you truly need to learn. 2. Retention. Writing down words, especially with their meanings and example sentences, can significantly improve retention. 3. Flexibility. You can organize your list based on themes, difficulty levels, or any way that makes sense to you. Creating a list might sound simple, but there's an art to it. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Spot new words. Whenever you come across a new word during your preparation, be it in a reading passage, listening activity, or while practicing writing, jot it down. 2. Use a notebook or digital tool. Some people prefer the traditional pen and paper, while others use digital tools like note-taking apps. Choose what works best for you. 3. Categorize. Group similar words together. For instance, you could have categories like environment, technology, or health. 4. Add definitions. Write a concise definition for each word. If possible, also note synonyms and antonyms. 5. Craft example sentences. Context is key. Draft a sentence for each word, so you understand how to use it properly. 6. Review and revise. Go over your list regularly. Test yourself and, if possible, get a study buddy to test you too. Here are some golden nuggets to maximize the efficiency of your vocabulary list. 1. Start small. It's better to fully understand 10 words than to half know 50. Don't overwhelm yourself. 2. Engage multiple senses. Try reading words aloud, writing them multiple times, or even drawing pictures associated with them. 3. Use mnemonics. Create associations or funny stories related to the word. This makes recalling easier. 4. Revisit often. The more you review, the better you'll remember. Don't just create a list and forget about it. 5. Use them in real life. Try using your new vocabulary in daily conversations or writings. Practical application aids retention. And that's a wrap on creating personal vocabulary lists for TOEFL and IELTS. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but the quality of words you know and how effectively you can use them. We hope this strategy proves beneficial in your test prep journey. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.